Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you what you can do if your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G doesn't charge anymore. We have 4 things we can check and try out, and then hopefully our phone charges again. This first thing you want to do is you want to have a look if that part of your cable is dirty, and then you also want to make sure that this part of your phone is clean, because dirt might stop your phone from charging, and that's like the first thing you want to check. Second thing you want to do is you want to see if your cable charges with another device. So you want to get another device and then plug the cable in to see if that helps. Then your current device might need some help, but if that cable still doesn't work with another device, then your cable might just be broken. You want to restart your phone, and for that we need to press the volume up and the power on and on button, just like that, and then you want to say reboot. So now it's restarting, and that might fix some bugs in the background, and that hopefully solves your problem. So now the phone is restarting again. So now we're back and we have to unlock our SIM card. Say done, and now we're back in the phone, and hopefully now your phone charges again. Another thing we can do, we can check for a software update. For that we need to go to settings, and then we need to go to about phone. And here we need to click on the version here. It's checking for updates. We do not have any updates available, but if you have an update available, you might want to go ahead and install that, just to make sure that your phone is running on the latest software, and that also might fix some bugs in the background, and you will then hopefully be able to charge your phone again. Last but not least, we will perform a force reboot. Hopefully after that your phone charges again. For that we want to press the volume up and the power on and off button, and then keep pressing, and now it's shut down and starting again. We need to enter our SIM pin again, and then we're back in the phone. So that were 4 tips and tricks of what you can do if your phone doesn't charge anymore. If your phone still doesn't charge, you might have a hardware problem. In this case, these tips do not help. You want to go ahead and go get that fixed. Otherwise, I hope that helped. I hope you liked it. Thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.